Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made my Ikea Alex drawer inserts. So for these drawer inserts I used foam board which I picked up from Hobbycraft for £4 a sheet, and I ended up only using one. So first of all I needed to make a template for my drawer to work out how big I wanted each section to be, so I just stuck some A4 sheets of paper together to make kind of like a template. And then I just measured the depth of the drawer to work out how tall I wanted my drawer walls. So here I'm just using my paper template that I made earlier and just drawing out where I want some of my sections of my organiser to be. So I'm just putting down a few of my makeup products that I'm going to have in the drawers and just using those as a guide to how big I needed some of the sections to be to fit the products that I wanted to in the drawers. So now taking my foam board, I'm just marking out the width of the strips that I need to cut for the walls of the organiser. I'm marking out two different widths of strips for these organisers because I'm making two of them, and one of them is to go in a deeper drawer. Now I'm just cutting these strips out with a craft knife. I wouldn't recommend cutting it on your carpet like I did, but I didn't have a big enough cutting mat. So I cut out a few of these strips just to make sure I had enough of them to make my entire organiser. I ended up using about 3 strips of each width to make my organiser the way I had designed it. Now back to my template, so I'm just marking out how long I needed all of these strips to be cut to make my organiser. So I'm just cutting them with a craft knife, and then you'll see maybe just off camera here, I'm just using a little bit of sandpaper to sand down the edges where the craft knife wasn't the sharpest. So now I've got all my pieces cut to the right lengths, I need them to slot together, so I need to cut some notches in each of the pieces where they're going to join together. So this is what it's going to look like when all the notches are cut, and this is how they fit together. So I'm just using my template to mark out where the notches need to be, and the notches need to be the thickness of the foam board, if that makes sense, and they need to go down halfway. So hopefully that makes sense. So the width of the notch is the width of the foam board, and then the length of the notch is halfway down into the foam board. So now I'm just cutting these little notches out. And then they should slot together like that. And then I'm just going to be using a little bit of sandpaper again to neaten these rough edges up. It sounds quite well, this foam board does. So now I've got all my pieces with all the notches cut out of. I'm just going to use my template to line everything up. And hopefully, if you've cut your notches accurately enough, it should all fit nicely into place. Now you can just slot these into your drawers, and hopefully if you've measured correctly it should all fit into place quite snug, and then you can just put all your little makeup items or whatever you want to put in there in all the little sections, and they should fit perfectly if you've measured it up with the template. And then I've just got some of my skincare bits in this drawer, so everything fits perfectly. So there we go, those are the organisers I made. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like content like this, and I will see you in the next video.